Hi friends, it's Tuesday, April 21st, 2020 at 2:35 in the afternoon. I'm back right here videotaping the excavator. Lehigh, the driver, is doing that flattening or labeling the two taller mountains, temporary mountains of dirt. So I will let you enjoy this. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. There were two tall mountains on this side. Now you can see the mountain to the left side is doesn't look like a mountain anymore. It looks like a hill. And then the next one to my right is the tallest one, and that's the one that Lehigh is working to label it to the ground. You can see. Let me move to my right side so you can see. I'll note some more. I'm trying to hold the cell phone tight so you can see this. I hope you're enjoying this. It is really fun to watch. Going to the highest part. This will be our future backyard. Alright, he is stopping for now, so I will also stop.